Good evening, Billyjack on location, the Makiki Park Experiment Station Building Complex. This beautiful Friday evening from central Honolulu. This complex has been it's caught my eye for a while now. So, time I did that other video from over here. Very, very beautiful old world complex. Still standing today. And try to make these quick around here so you can see. This building has more character than the other ones. I'm not sure if it was added at a later date. Very unusual, out of balance door there. Just the colonnades, the fake foundation ones are also interesting on here. And you get it as it goes around. You gotta love the old world look it has to it. Absolutely. Beautiful old world architecture. We'll be examining the rest of the buildings in this complex today. Billyjack over and out.